parent function is r of x equals 1 over x. And it looks like that. There are no intercepts. The domain is negative infinity to 0, 0 to infinity, and the range is the same thing. Over here, if you put a variable in instead of 1, it makes the graph wider. The domain is the same as the parent function. Over here, if you multiply the x by a variable, the graph gets closer to the axis. The domain and range, once again, are the same. Down here, if you add a variable to the end, it raises or lowers the graph. The domain and range, or the domain is the same. The range is now to x, or to k. Over here, if you subtract a variable from the x, it shifts the graph left or right. The domain is now affected by the h. The range is the same as the parent function. Now, when you put it all together, it raises, lowers, shifts left or right, gets closer or wider. And the domain is affected by the h, and the range is affected by the k.